Termites are a serious problem here in Australia, and you need to protect the biggest investment you may ever make, your house. Termites may already be in your home, in which case you have to act now before they cause severe structural damage that's very expensive to repair.
I just went to push the patio bolt up into the sliding door and it just went up into nothing, and that was the start of a nightmare, literally.
Yeah, pretty devastated at that because it was a new bathroom that we'd put in that the termites had got into the power point.
Emotional side of termites, I think really we were devastated, to be quite honest with you, because it wasn't going to happen to us. We never thought of termites.
Awful.
Yeah.
$40,000 later, we really appreciate our barrier.
There are quite a few cases where homeowners have had to walk away from their homes because termite damage has been so extensive. It's far better to stop termites before they come to dinner. Quite simply, termites eat wood and they come to your home looking for food. They get there by travelling through the ground from a nest that may be hundreds of metres away, and then they build mud tunnels into your house. They can squeeze through the cracks the thickness of a piece of paper. Homeowners usually don't know they're there until substantial damage has been done. They eat anything made from wood inside your home, and even gyprock and plasterboard walls, often leaving a paper-thin layer of paint. Unfortunately, by this time, they're right through your home, no matter how your house is constructed. Even steel-framed houses are not immune to termite attack. The termites can still get in and destroy wooden roof trusses, furniture and wood trim, such as architraves, in fact anything made of wood in the house. Stop termites now with the help of your licensed and certified pest controller and a revolutionary product called Termidor. Termidor effectiveness has been proven by government, university and company field trials throughout Australia and worldwide. The results have been spectacular. One of the major reasons for the success of Termidor lies in the unique transfer effect.
A lot of clients, especially if they've got active termites, are physically asking, can we have a Termidor barrier? The active ingredient, the mode of action, it's a godsend for us in the industry.
Termites are social insects that live together in large colonies. They groom and feed each other and are in constant contact as they forage for food and travel through the galleries. Termidor takes advantage of these social behaviours. When a single termite comes in contact with Termidor, it will unknowingly transfer it back to the colony on its body, including every termite it contacts on the way, thus infecting termites that have not even been near the Termidor-treated zone. This is the transfer effect, and it's a key reason why no other termiticide performs as well as Termidor.
Termidor, the transfer effect has just been really beneficial in eliminating them out of the house and long term keeping the problem fixed.
Termidor revolutionised termite control when it was launched into the Australian market over 10 years ago. Since then, close to 200,000 satisfied homeowners have Termidor to thank for protecting one of their biggest assets. And all this without a single product failure. Now, you may be offered a cheaper copy of Termidor. As with all technologies, eventually the patent expires and cheaper copies of the original product come onto the market. The common theme when the cheaper copy is being pushed to homeowners is that it's the same as Termidor, just cheaper. This is simply not true.
I think you're playing a game of chance using anything else, and the chances are that if you use opposition products without that transfer effect in the soil, well, the chances are you're going to have a failure.
With the generics, we found generics in the past, you can have issues with your equipment using generics.
Termidor consists of a number of carefully selected and individually optimised ingredients to ensure a high-quality product. These ingredients have a significant influence on the stability during storage and application, quality and uniformity, and the overall performance. BASF hired the services of an independent NATA-accredited laboratory to test the cheaper copy product against Termidor on a number of key chemical properties which are influenced by the quality of the ingredients, plus the quality of the manufacturing process. The results were shocking, with 6 out of the 8 key chemical properties of the cheaper copy being inferior to Termidor. In fact, 3 of the 8 properties were over 5 times inferior, with one particular property which impacts how evenly the product moves through the soil was out by a factor of 50. This could cause large untreated gaps in the soil that would allow termites a free pass to attack your home. The cost savings of the cheaper copy product would be less than 5% of the total cost of the termite treatment. When you consider the value of your home and the risk involved, it really does not stack up. To ensure that you receive the formulation that has protected a nation for over 10 years, an accredited Termidor applicator would be happy for you to watch whilst Termidor is being poured into the treatment tank. Getting your home treated with Termidor usually takes less than a day. A licensed and certified pest control professional digs a trench around the foundations of your home. The trench is extended down the sides of the foundation and cleaned out. Termidor is applied to the trench and some of the soil is replaced into the trench. More Termidor is applied and more soil is replaced. Finally, the trench is filled and the final application of Termidor is added. Holes are drilled through slabs and parts or the concrete cutaway to treat the ground under them. Pavers should be lifted, the soil treated and the pavers relayed. Some soils, such as heavy clay, should be removed and replaced with a sandy loam before treatment. Any responsible termite treatment requires the follow-up by your pest professional. Tradesmen like plumbers, electricians and even telephone technicians installing underground lines can open up access areas for termites. Tree roots growing up to your foundations and new garden beds against the house can also provide access to hungry termites. Your pest controller will check your home after 12 months to make sure all is still fine. Termidor has a proven track record of 200,000 satisfied homeowners over a 10-year period without a single failure. Termidor has also been successfully used in more than 4 million buildings in the USA. Remember, there is only one Termidor, the original and the best.
The amazing thing about Termidor is that everyone asks for it. Our telephone and internet inquiries ask if we use Termidor, as do our real estate agents and body corporate clients. No one wants to risk their home by using inferior products.
Yeah, well, a homeowner will get peace of mind, and particularly if they insist on this product, Termidor, made by BASF. And quite frankly, nothing else on the market at the moment is really good enough.
It's your home. Why risk it?